How to post a video on LinkedIn mobile app. Firstly, you have to open the LinkedIn app in your Android. Click on the LinkedIn app and open it on your phone. How to post a videos, just you have to click here and you can see post, add post. Before adding any of the video in your post in LinkedIn, firstly you have to watch the complete video and follow each step carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. Click on the media here and you have to select any of the video from your gallery. Click on add. In this way, click on the next here. That post will be uploaded on your account. Thank you so much. That was all. Please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing and subscribing to our channel for more valuable content in the future. Your engagement is highly appreciated. I wish you very good luck. Thanks.